In July, Samsung unveiled the Galaxy Z Fold 6, followed by the much-anticipated Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition in October. But now, some fresh leaks have thrown a little cold water on the excitement surrounding the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7. A reliable tipster, Jukanless suggests that the next-gen Fold might not feature the groundbreaking 200-megapixel camera that made a splash in the Fold SE this year. For those eagerly hoping to see the impressive 200-megapixel sensor in the Z Fold 7, this news may come as a bit of a disappointment. For context, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 packs a solid 50-megapixel main camera paired with a 12-megapixel ultrawide and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens that offers 3x optical zoom and can stretch the digital zoom up to a whopping 30x. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition steps up the game with the much-talked-about 200-megapixel sensor, the same powerhouse that Samsung's been using in its Galaxy S Ultra models, starting with the S23 Ultra. But here's the catch. The Fold SE is currently only available in limited markets like South Korea and China. While it does bring an upgraded camera experience, it's not as widely accessible, leaving fans in other regions wishing for more. With the new leaks suggesting that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 might not adopt this 200-megapixel camera, it looks like Samsung might continue to hold off on offering it in its main foldable lineup for now. This could also mean that the Z Fold 7 will miss out on addressing some key areas like camera quality and battery life, which have been ongoing criticisms of Samsung's high-end foldables. It's definitely a letdown for those hoping for more competitive features to match the high price tag. That said, it's still possible that Samsung could expand the availability of the Special Edition model next year. If they do, it would be great to see a wider release, but for now, we'll likely have to wait for official announcements. The best case scenario would be a clear teaser or confirmation of the Fold Special Edition's availability alongside the launch of the Z Fold 7, so fans don't feel left in the dark. Meanwhile, there's still plenty of buzz surrounding Samsung's foldable future. Rumors are swirling that next year, Samsung could shake things up with a brand new dual-folding triple-screen device. This concept isn't completely out of left field, as it's already been explored by Huawei with its Mate X series. But Samsung's rumored triple-screen foldable, possibly called the Fold 7 variant, Triple, would differ in design, potentially featuring two infolding hinges instead of the single inward-folding and outward-folding hinges seen in the Huawei Mate X. If true, this could mean the Z Fold 7 variant would have a completely separate display for the smartphone functionality, as opposed to using part of the folding screen. A couple of Korean sources have further backed up these claims, including the reputable blogger Yu, who hinted at the triple-screen foldable being in development. These reports also suggest that this new foldable will launch alongside the regular Z Fold 7, giving us a lot to look forward to. And let's not forget, there's more excitement on the horizon with the Galaxy Z Flip 7, which is expected to be joined by a Z Flip 7 Fan Edition sometime in 2025. It seems like 2025 will be an especially busy year for Samsung's foldable lineup, with a potential mix of new designs, improved specs, and maybe even a more budget-friendly option for fans looking for a thinner, more innovative device. So, what do you think? What are your expectations for the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7? Are you excited about the possibility of a triple-screen foldable, or are you hoping for more camera upgrades like the 200-megapixel sensor? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Until then, take care.